Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have this magnetic quality? You know, the kind of person who leaves you thinking about them, maybe even missing them, long after they've gone. What if I told you there's a secret to this? A secret that has been around for thousands of years, backed by ancient philosophy that could make you more irresistible, not just to women, but to anyone you encounter. That's right. The secret is Stoicism. And no, it's not about being cold or emotionless. It's about mastering your emotions, creating distance, and letting your presence speak for itself. If you want her to miss you, to actually yearn for your company, then you've got to use the principles of Stoicism to your advantage. Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's start with the most powerful tool you have at your disposal, your emotions. The first principle is simple. Stay calm. Don't react emotionally. Now, this might sound obvious, but trust me, it's not. Think about how people typically react when they feel upset or threatened. They might lash out, overreact, or get defensive. But what happens when you remain calm in these situations? You become unpredictable and, in a way, more powerful. Your calmness actually becomes magnetic. It draws her in because you're not reacting the way she expects. You become the steady anchor in a sea of chaos, and people, especially women, tend to be drawn to that stability. It's like this. Have you ever had a situation where someone is really emotional, maybe even a little dramatic, and you just couldn't stop thinking about how they were overreacting? Contrast that with someone who remains composed and doesn't let their emotions control them. Who would you be more attracted to? Exactly. So if you want to stand out and leave a lasting impression, focus on keeping your emotions in check. Your calmness becomes your superpower. Next up, subtlety is your best friend. Cut back on contact. And no, this doesn't mean playing games or ghosting her. It means being intentional about the time you spend together. Stop flooding her with texts or calling her all the time. Instead, create space. This will give her room to miss you and think about you. When you overdo it, you lose value in the eyes of others because you become too available. But when you pull back just a little bit, without being cold or distant, it will actually create curiosity. She'll start wondering, why isn't he contacting me as much? What's he up to? This mystery is what creates longing. And here's something powerful. The silence speaks louder than words ever could. It lets her reflect on the relationship, and in some cases, it might even make her come to you first. This is the power of creating space. No drama, just a little distance, done with intention. Third, focus on improving yourself quietly. This is a big one, and it's deeply rooted in Stoic thought. The Stoics believed in constant self-improvement, being the best version of yourself, not for anyone else, but for your own growth. When you're focused on improving your skills, your mindset, your career, or any area of your life, you send a powerful message without saying a word. You're evolving. When she sees you growing, it will make her think, wow, I might have let someone this valuable slip away. This doesn't mean you have to be perfect or have your whole life figured out. But the key here is to keep growing, even if it's in small ways. Whether it's reading, learning a new skill, or building your career, the fact that you're dedicated to becoming better will naturally make her question her decisions. Fourth, stop stalking her on social media. I know, it's tempting. You want to know what she's up to, see her stories, or check her posts to figure out where she's at emotionally. But here's the thing. By doing this, you're staying too accessible and you're giving up your power. When you stop checking her social media, you immediately shift the power dynamic. You stop being so available and start becoming more intriguing. People want what they can't easily have. It's human nature. And in the process, you create distance without even saying a word. Fifth, be polite, but distant. Now, this doesn't mean being rude or cold, but it does mean that you don't need constant validation or attention. Your presence should be enough. When you stop seeking approval, you start to look more valuable. Think about it. When someone is constantly seeking your attention or validation, it can feel draining. But when someone is content with themselves, it automatically makes them more attractive. It shows that they value themselves and don't need external approval to feel worthy. This is a key principle in Stoicism: being at peace with who you are. Sixth, focus on your mission. A man with a clear purpose, with his own mission, is never easily replaceable. You're not here just to please others. You're here to fulfill your own goals and aspirations. When you're dedicated to your purpose, you become someone who is hard to ignore. You have direction, and people are naturally drawn to that. Not only is it attractive, but it also shows that you're a man with ambition. Someone who isn't just waiting around for life to happen. Yeah, you're creating your own path, and that's magnetic. And finally, don't chase attention. This one is simple but powerful. True confidence doesn't need to be shown off. You don't need to prove anything. You don't need to be the loudest in the room or constantly seek validation from others. Confidence is about quietly knowing your worth and carrying yourself with self-assurance. Think of it this way. Have you ever noticed someone who walks into a room and just owns it without saying a word? That's true confidence. It's silent, it's steady, and it speaks volumes. So, to wrap it up, remember this. When you make yourself less available, you make yourself more valuable. Don't chase her. Let her chase you. The more you focus on your own growth and your own path, the more attractive you'll become, not just to her, but to anyone you encounter. If you want more insights into how to apply Stoic philosophy to your life and transform the way you approach relationships, success, and personal growth, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot more to share with you, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.